Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You likely can't pay Amazon directly with Google Play balance, so start by confirming how much credit you have and that your Play account country matches available services. Once done, set the exact dollar value you need on Amazon so you only convert what's necessary. Then search for reputable third-party sellers or marketplaces that explicitly accept Google Play gift cards or Play balance as payment. Make sure they have solid reviews. You'll now select a trusted exchanger to trade your Play funds for an Amazon gift card or direct Amazon credit. Compare fees and seller ratings and pick one that offers escrow or buyer protection. This reduces fraud risk. Make a small test transaction of $5 to $10 to confirm the process works end-to-end. When the test succeeds, proceed with the remainder, keeping receipts and screenshots in case you need to dispute a problem. After payment, the exchanger should send an Amazon gift code or credit, redeem it immediately under your account gift cards, and confirm the balance on Amazon. Make your intended purchase and save all confirmations. If something goes wrong, promptly contact the exchanger with payment screenshots and timestamps. If they don't respond, open a dispute on the marketplace or payment provider and provide evidence. And if exchangers aren't available in your country, accept that direct conversion may be impossible and avoid risky workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.